Hi friends, I'm the Sakradhi Choyan. Today we're going to discuss another important topic, that is delivering value only works. Though the world is a fast-paced technology machine, humans are still emotionally bound, as emotions are one of the fundamental aspects of a human life. So every technological development that intends to deliver value or be a part of the human lifestyle must have more of a human approach. But sadly, we see that human interactions, be it in the business or personal, are mostly for short-term profits or for monetary value or for some personal benefits. It is very pathetic to see individuals impose this on themselves too. They perceive wonderful time spent with family and friends as non-beneficial one because they don't get any monetary value out of it or make some business out of it. The same is reflected in the professional life too, where we are forgetting that we are humans and not business process models. And this is why we don't see people providing value in the business to the customers. But my dear friends, it's high time to realize that only value matters and nothing else. Firstly, we have to remember that as humans, we ought to have empathy. We should keep reminding ourselves that we are helping our fellow human beings, and business or profits, what we do or what we make, is just a precipitate of this entire process. Not realizing this is what always leads to a failure as a human being rather than a professional. So, my dear friends, what is life without compassion, morality, and values? With customers realizing this superficial game of businesses in pretending to be a value provider, a significant revolution has occurred in the overall consumer behavior. Some businesses, realizing this fact, started being smart enough to pretend and showcase empathy and value towards customer problems with no patience. And the result is very simple. Mercilessly, customers started cutting down their ties with the businesses in the very first interaction itself. My dear fellow professionals, understand that your customer is not just a machine that can't understand your inner thoughts or feelings or your attitude. You can't pretend to show empathy, morality, and values to anyone until and unless you have it within you. When you don't have within you, what you exhibit outside is just a mere acting. So the other human being will be able to easily make out that you are just pretending to him and acting to him, which really hurts. And the result is very, very simple. You can't have a relationship with him itself. So the having business is altogether no option. So in the era of consumerization, experiences and human values you deliver matters the most. So it's high time to understand and realize that it's only value with a human sense that wins, and everything else will fade away and doesn't last. Not realizing this fact is why today we see businesses or professionals don't get motivated by the work they do, and personally they don't connect to it and find no relevance in contributing some values. Most people do argue that we deliver value to our customers and we understand their problems, but we are unable to make enough financial progress or enough business out of it. The answer to this is very, very simple. We don't value people as much as we value the short term profits. We simply view them as cash cows, and it is very pitiable when a human cannot understand his fellow human being and value them, and simply tend to forget that they are our customers or consumers ultimately. When one can't realize or relate to a human suffering, It is not possible to understand the actual problems and work towards solving the conflicts or the problems of a human being. So, here, where is the question of relationship with the customer? If this is so, making business or money goes totally out of context and meaningless, and ultimately it makes no sense. My dear friends, you got to personalize, and personalization is the key here to deliver value. In real life, do you expect a stranger anytime to share every secret with you? No, right? So, a stranger has to become an acquaintance, then a friend, then a personal buddy, and only then he or she will be able to share their feelings with you or share their problems with you. For this to happen, you have to instill the confidence and trust factor within him to enable them to share their issues with you. The same is for businesses too. Don't expect at the very first sight to get your work done. It can't happen. Not only in the business, even in the relationships. As soon as you see someone, you can't have a relationship with him or her until and unless you bond in such a way that you create trust, you create a sense of confidence on you in their mind. Only then they will be able to proceed further in your relationships or like friendship. So first work on building relationships, and personalization of every interaction is very, very important. This is the key, in fact. Our relationships are built on trust, and you got to bring that trust, and this trust drives the customer to request you to solve their problem. Remember, customer personalization is not a sprint, it's a marathon, like human relationships. This is the way you can deliver the best results that help organizations to score high in the customer thought. To deliver a sense of personalization to the customer, you need to be just a human being trying to understand another human being. First, start addressing them by name instead of an ID number, even within the organization, which instills a sense of genuinity and loyalty on you. We see in most organizations, employees do address the clients or the stakeholders with an ID number or some tag actually. So this culture has to change within the business. You got to feel that someone has approached you to solve their problem, and you need to have that sort of empathy on him rather than thinking that he has approached me to to make business. So ultimately you're solving a problem for a human being. So this is very, very important to establish a sense of personalization with your client or customer or stakeholder. This is what helps customers to freely open up further and discuss their problems with you. Then you can start helping them out. Now, where is the point of not having a business while you are delivering value? Wondering how to start delivering value? The main issue here is most of the time nobody tries to know what the value actually is. If so, where is the point of personalization here? If you're worried about how to develop a sense of personalization and deliver value to customers, you need not to do any magic, because this is no rocket science. Focus on your customer and have some patience to listen to them, and they are ready to teach you about their problem. But the problem is the problem is you are not ready and you don't have the patience and sense of human thought to listen to him. When you don't have the patience to listen to him, you are not giving any scope for him to open up. So have some patience. Only then you will be able to know what exactly the other person is trying to tell, or other person is trying to face. So my dear friends, first be a human being. Only then you can think of business, or so first start being a human being and start delivering value and personalize. And you are not a chatbot or a application that doesn't have a sense of personalization, or a human touch. But even we see today most of the AI applications, the ultimate goal of AI applications that interact with humans are working towards in a path where they are trying to be more of a human, not more of a machine. So have that sense of human value within you, then everything will fall in place the right way. Thank you.